Enterprises today are already past the early AI adoption stage. It has already scaled up very well. I don't think it's a technology problem at all. The important question is not, are we doing AI? It is rather, are we actually creating value from AI and at scale? This is where this joint study between IIMA and persistent systems become extremely critical. The question we are trying to solve here is, how do you scale it up and how do you create the measurable outcome from it? As a part of this joint study, we surveyed 100 plus enterprises across 8 different industry segments. Nearly 50% of these AI investments are still being driven primarily by efficiency gains as well as productivity outcomes. Close to 80% of these investments are concentrated in operations, sales, customer service, and IT. But this joint study points to a bigger risk. A lot of organizations are focused on quick wins. Great. However, at the same time, we see that a coherent enterprise strategy around AI is not applied consistently, which leads to a fragmented repeatability. That's where pilots stall. That's where the effort gets duplicated. And that is how AI becomes a transactional activity, not a business outcome and a related impact. This joint study helped us introduce a new framework called AI Value Compass. The framework is designed to evaluate AI initiatives across 5 dimensions: business, people, operations, data, and overall risk and governance. So you can step back and ask, which of these business initiatives should we actually scale up? Which ones we need to prioritize and why? And which ones we should actually stop? That's the shift we need. Not chasing more AI activity, but bringing more clarity, more discipline, and more precision to where AI can really create value. If this is a question you're wrestling with, then this joint study between IIMA and persistent system that led to this fascinating report of AI Value Compass is worth your time. Read it not as another AI point of view, but as a framework for better decisions and measurable outcomes.